if we want to source it in China, it take long time, but we could source it from.
So how long does it take to actually manufacture one of your board? What is the timeline?
So basically from sourcing parts, what that means CPU now the lead time will be like half year or something.
Oh wow!
If we want to source it in China, it take long time, but we could source it from Hong Kong.
Why does it take longer in China?
The import stuff issue, I think.
Oh, you mean the chip is imported?
Yeah.
Oh, so the chip is not made in China?
No, it's from microchip.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Oh, part of microchip get launched. Oh right. I'm just looking at it right now.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, we just source it from Hong Kong and yeah.
Oh wow! So you have to wait. In other words, right?
Yeah. So for sourcing parts, you have to wait to get all the parts, and then there's custom made things like the 90-degree ports, the GPIO ports, and we custom made them, and it took us like a week or something to have it ready. And yeah, so that's sourcing. And for PCB, it just take like 2 days or 3 days from JLC. It's pretty far.
Yeah, because it's printing, right? Yeah.
Yeah. And for assembly, it took us like 1 day, a whole day, I think.
Yeah, so the longest part is the microchip. Yeah.
Sourcing the parts.
Because I'm mentioning that it is interesting because I just read the news like US is doing the whole thing against Huawei, they're blocking the chip. I feel like that's one of the things that China need to hurry up and make more chip, make more chip, just make more microchip. Yeah. So oh man, I didn't realize that. I thought every component is made in China, but apparently it's not.
Not really. Actually, most of them are made in Taiwan. Actually.
Really?
Taiwan. Yeah.
The microchip?
Taiwan.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Taiwan and Thailand.
Oh, Thailand. Okay. Wow. I was a little bit surprised by that.
Yeah, because if they're afraid of like China just gonna take advantage if they manufacture in China. But now I think China is picking up.
Yeah.
There's some manufacturers making components.
Yeah. Hopefully they hurry up.
Yeah.
Just oh wow, that's interesting.